Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, first let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Personal Hotspot. So by tapping it once you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, here you can access QR code with which you can instantly connect to your hotspot. You can change its name here, you can change its password, you can manage connected devices, like for example you can add them to block list. In more, you can also set mobile hotspot turn off timer, and you can use it for Bluetooth tethering. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.